Hello, and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to enable the autofill feature in Firefox Mobile, step by step. If you often type in passwords or personal information manually, this feature will save you time and improve your browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the Firefox browser app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Passwords. Now look for the option called Autofill in Firefox. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on Autofill in Firefox. Once this is done, Firefox will automatically fill in your saved usernames and passwords when you visit login pages. That's all you need to do to enable autofill in Firefox Mobile. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below.